What's up, y'all? Sorry, it didn't tell me we were live. Good morning, good morning. Has the trash men come very noisily? I'm just making sure the comments are coming up. So everybody say good morning. So I wanted to do something like simple for my, hello, I see y'all now, for my cabinet doors in the kitchen. So I found these little green wreaths on Amazon. They're tiny. They're only about 10 inches. About 10 and a half inches, which is perfect. So I'm doing 4 of these. I've already done the others, but I thought I'd do one with y'all. They are just on a plastic backing. But y'all, you could probably do these cheaper and better on a ring from Dollar Tree, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, because these are pathetic. So just get you a Dollar Tree ring. Order those boxwood from Amazon, and then just you pin them to your frame. Hello, everybody. So let me bring you down. We're going to dress them up just a little bit, because we can't just have these sad things hanging on my door like this. So I've broken up some of these leftover eucalyptus that are frosted. You're getting your nails done. I know, I need to too. So there's a couple different kinds. So I'm just going to add them and kind of spruce it up a little bit. And then we'll add our hanger and just a small bow. Now these wreaths did come with ribbon and hangers and these white little things. So if you want, you can put them in there, but I'm not. It's all going in the trash. But we are going to spruce it up with these things. So I've got my hot glue gun going. So all we're going to do is glue these right to the frame. And dress it up. Make it look a little bit better. So just going all the way around it. That one didn't go where I wanted it to go. See it looking better already, isn't it? Are y'all getting ready to start cooking? Or are you already cooking? I'm sure you bakers are already cooking. So if you need my address, just private message me and I can give it to you. I like sugar cookies. I like pumpkin bread, banana bread. You're baking? Do you need my address? I'll gladly give it to you. Good morning, good morning. You have pumpkin pie. Now see, I like pumpkin bread, but I don't like pumpkin pie. It's the texture for me. I know, I'm weird. I don't know what my dogs are going crazy about. Put some here on the inside. Let's get this different green going in there. Pumpkin pie either. Oh, your family does. Yeah, see, I used to cook, y'all. And I say it now, I really only cook twice a year. And that's Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. That's it for me. But I used to make homemade lemon meringue pie. Homemade cheesecake. You never had pumpkin pie? Try pumpkin bread. Chocolate chip. Oh, ooh. That sounds yummy. I'm just kind of filling in the holes at this point. Get some here on the side. Do y'all put anything on your kitchen cabinets? I've done, quite a few things over the years. Like the candy canes. Those, like from Dollar Tree, where you put them in like a circle and they make a big snowflake. Those were fun. So I just try to do something a little bit different every year, because I can't eat more than a half a cup. Oh, yeah. Well, you can send it to me and I'll eat it for you. How about that? I'll definitely eat it for you, even though I shouldn't. I think that looks good. I think we're going to add one more right there. Good morning. From having spinal. Oh no. Well, here I am. Just making a little something for my kitchen cabinets. That one's like sticking way out there. Let's kind of tuck you in. We need one right there. Like I could sit here and just keep adding, because there's always a hole. But I think we're good. Good morning, good morning. So just dressing that up just a little bit. I love the different shades of greenery in that. Now these do have a hanger right there if you want to hang it from it. Exactly. No diet on the holidays. And I'm drinking Diet Coke to keep me going today. So I measured my cabinets, and for this to kind of sit right in the middle, so I have 4 big cabinets, upper cabinets. So for it to sit kind of right in the middle, I did go ahead and measure. So, and then on, if you can imagine, so here's the cabinet, this is the outside. On the inside, right here at the tip, I have a hook that always stay there. That way I can just drape the ribbon over it and it will stay in that hook, if that makes sense. So we're just going to take this ribbon no DoorDash tomorrow. We actually go to a friend's house every year for Thanksgiving. So I do have to make deviled eggs and a ham. And then all I'm going to do is scrunch this ribbon right here at the top. Zip it up. And then it'll hang on the inside like that. No, I'm not really cooking. Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So Christmas Eve, we do traditional Mexican. So I make everything homemade. We make enchiladas and homemade chips and fajitas, all of that. And then on Christmas Day, I do traditional ham, turkey, and all the sides. But Christmas Eve, we do Mexican. Traditional Mexican, homemade Mexican. That's why I say I only cook twice a year. You're coming over? Come on. All right. So then to make sure they were all even, all the same, hanging the same measurements, I did go ahead and pre-cut my tails and my loop. So I'm just putting a 5-inch loop on it. Don't need too big. I don't know what, my dog's going crazy. Okay, hold on. I did that wrong. These are my tails. The short one is my tail. I was like, why is that so small? I'm not used to making small bows, y'all. Okay, now we're getting it. Whose birthday is it? Happy birthday! There we go. All right, let's get that out of our way. These at a slant, and then we have our cute little bow, y'all. And then the bow will sit right here on this ribbon, kind of in the middle. So let me just kind of scrunch that up. Okay, so I'm just attaching it just like that. And we'll cut it off. I know it looks kind of wonky, but once it gets up on my cabinet, it'll be fine. If I want them like that or just a big curly Q. I think I like that better. These tails are so small, it's hard to do anything with them. There you go. We got a small little wreath to go on my cabinet doors. Good veggie dip. Can't have anything good to eat. Not like that. It's the holidays. Can I recap? Of course. These are little, what did I say, 10-inch? Just green wreaths that I got from Amazon, but they were just the plain boxwood. So I just added a little bit of greenery. Some of it's frosted, some of it's glittered, and these are going to go on my big cabinet. So I have 4 big cabinets in my kitchen. So all of them will get one of these. I just wanted something simple. So this is what I came up with this year. But once I get them up there, I'll take pictures so you can see kind of what they really look like. But honestly, you can, so they'll hang kind of like this. So the inside of my cabinet, this will hang on the inside, and so they'll hang kind of just like that. So just something, yeah, very cute, simple, didn't want a lot. But honestly, if you get the Dollar Tree styrofoam round, get you some greenery, some boxwood that I used yesterday for the monogram. You can make your own for probably cheaper, and it'll probably look better. I had to dress mine up to make it look a little better. Yeah, they were already made. I just added the eucalyptus. So they were on this frame, just a plastic frame with the boxwood already attached. And that's it. Now we have a cute wreath to hang on my cabinet doors. All right, y'all. That's all I got for y'all. Nothing big today. I am starting to decorate. So getting it done, it usually takes me a good week to 2 weeks to fully decorate my home. So I need to get started. But that's all I got for y'all. Have an amazing Thanksgiving. Take it easy. Eat all you want. Who cares? It's the holidays. Enjoy. Love y'all. Have a good day. Bye, y'all.